Hi guys, and welcome to Motor Planet, where today we're going to be showing you around this 2015 Ford Fiesta Z-Tech. Now, this one in particular is the 1.2 naturally aspirated engine, producing around 81 brake horsepower and up to 60 odd miles per gallon, so plenty of fuel economy under this bonnet. It's a very durable engine with full service history and only one former keeper. So what we're going to do today is we're going to show you around this vehicle, take a look at the paintwork, some of the spec that it's got, and just have a general nosy round, just to give you an insight into what vehicle you're going to be coming down and seeing. So, as you'll be able to tell, it's in beautiful condition. It's in ice white, looking fantastic. Very clean car, super clean. Great styling to it, with it being the Fiestas. They look fantastic with that chrome and gloss black grille. The lights, you've got daytime running lights as well, and they look fantastic. You've also got halogens. It's sat on 16-inch alloy wheels, which again are in really nice condition and look great against the car. Now, the interior on this one is one of my favourite interiors on the Fiesta, but we'll move on to that in a second once we've had a good look at the bodywork. So, one thing I do like about the Fords is the attention to detail, both in the lights and in the interior. They're just second to none. It's a fantastic little car. Super clean. This would be an ideal first car. So low mileage, it's the 1.2 petrol, it's very low insurance, you'll get great miles per gallon out of it, and it's just a fantastic looking car. So, now you've had a good look round and we've seen just how clean this little car is. What we'll do is we'll move on to the interior, show you some of the spec, and take a quick look underneath the bonnet. So let's start off by taking a look under the bonnet. Now, underneath here is beautiful and clean. It's tidied up very well. Now, under here is a 1.2 naturally aspirated petrol engine from Ford, producing around 81 brake horsepower. It also produces up to 65 miles per gallon, and this engine has full service history as well from its one previous keeper. So you should get great fuel economy from this car as well, making it just nice and cheap to run. As we move around to the boot, to be fair, for a small hatchback, there is a great size boot in the back of here. I have previously owned one and fitted a really large pram, to be fair, in the back, so it's a sizable boot for a small hatchback. Now, just under here, you've got your spare tyre kit with the foam in the can and your pump. You've also got this rear folding seats as well, with the anchor points for your child seats, and also the ISOFIX on the rear seats, making it nice and safe for your children. Now, as we work our way onto the interior, great styling from Ford, looks fantastic, plenty of brush steel and gloss black, just bringing it in from the outside, tying it all together. Now, down to the seats. Now, I love these seats. I think they're one of the best looking seats that they do in the Fiestas. I love the white stitching and the two-tone black. The rear seats look fantastic as well, ISOFIX in them, so it's nice and safe. And it's just a super clean car, apart from my map, which I've stood on. So, taking a look around the dashboard, again, plenty more chrome, looks great. You've got your lights just at that side. Taking up onto the dash, let me just flick them on for you, so you can see them lit up. Really nice looking set of clocks. Let's just flick through and show you the mileage. There you go, 47,000 miles and 71. Now, moving on to the dashboard and the sensor for your media. Now, here is where all your media is displayed on a very nice little screen. Now, this display unit is coated in gloss black. It looks brilliant, and all of these light up blue at night. And there's also some ambient lighting as well, just underneath there and in your door cards. So it just gives you a really nice feel. It's also quite driver orientated as well. Now, with this radio unit, you can connect your phone up to it a few different ways via the aux lead, USB, or Bluetooth. You can use all of your hands-free and voice control as well, so it's got plenty of tech. Now, as we move down, you've got your all-important heated windscreens from Ford. They are a brilliant thing, especially for those cold mornings. You've also got air conditioning and your climate control, very easy to use. Now, with it being a 1.2 petrol, it does have a 5-speed manual gearbox, which is brilliant and perfect. These drive fantastic, but don't take my word for it. Come down and have a test drive. Now, I like all of the materials used. Everything is just really tidy, really neat. Lovely materials used, some leather steering wheel here, steering wheel and also handbrake, gear levers, all coated in gloss black and chrome, tying it all together, looks fantastic. You've got the multifunction button steering wheel as well for your hands-free media and also your voice control. So it is full of tech. Just down here below your handbrake, that is where you can plug in your aux lead, your 12-volt socket and also your USB. So all in all, a very, very clean car, very clean. One former keeper, full service history, 2 keys, and it's also going to get the works from us. So it's going to get a 12-month MOT with no advisories whatsoever. It's going to get a 3-month AA warranty, a 12-month AA breakdown cover, a full pre-delivery inspection check, and to top it all off, we're going to service it as well for you, ready to rock and roll for its new keeper. So we have great finance options available, extended products as well, so do feel free to get in contact for any more information or to book a test drive. Thank you very much for watching today, guys. Take care, and we hope to see you all very soon.